In this video, I will show you how to fix ESPN Fantasy Draft Room not working. So for that, first of all, check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that it's stable, or you could try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. Now the next thing is ensure that there is no VPN, proxy or any ad blocker turned on. If they are turned on, simply turn those off. After that, open up Play Store. In the search bar, search for ESPN Fantasy Sports. Here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. Now the next thing is, simply press and hold on to the Fantasy app icon. Click on App Info. Click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Click on Clear Cache. Now try relaunching the app, and even after this, if it's still not working, then simply press and hold on to the Fantasy app icon. Click on Uninstall, then confirm it. Then try downloading it again and log in again. And if it's still not working, then try logging in and using it from web browser or through a different device. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.